We know we have to drink on Purim, but till when do we have to drink? Some explain that you have to drink until Alois HaShachar, until dawn. How come? Because in Maseches Psochim Daf Peivav, the Gemara teaches us how to drink wine. The Gemara says, one who drinks at once, he has a glass of wine, he drinks the whole thing at once, that is called a gargeran. That is not menschlichkeit. That's not very polite. What should you do, says the Gemara, Shnaim, derech eretz. If you break it in two, cut the glass in half, you only drink half and then you drink the other half, that is derech eretz. That is the appropriate way of doing things. And in the beginning of Maseches Brachos, the first Mishnah tells us, Kol ma she'amru chachamim ad chatzois, mitzvasoi ad sheyale amud hashachar. Whatever Chachamim tells us to do until midnight, the mitzvah is until dawn. But chatzois can also mean to cut in two, chetzi, half. So if Chazal tell us we have to drink and we have to cut it in half, so therefore mitzvah, the mitzvah is ad sheyale amud hashachar, until dawn. Drink and drink all night long.